Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that 8 over x is equal to 160. We're asked, given this equation, what is the value of x? So one more preliminary step before we actually solve for x is keep this side the same, but turn 160 into 160 divided by 1. Right? Obviously, dividing by 1 doesn't actually change the value of this, so the equation is still valid. What we can do here is we have two fractions that are equal to each other, so we can cross multiply. So we have 8 times 1 is equal to x times 160. 8 times 1 is 8 is equal to 160x. Now if we're solving for x, all we have to do is divide by 160. These cancel, and we get x is equal to 8 divided by 160. So 8 divided by 160 is going to be our final answer, but it's not in any of these forms. So one way you could notice is you say, okay, 8 is less than 160, right? So this fraction we can say is going to be less than 1. Right? It's going to be some fraction of 1. Therefore, D is going to be your answer because these are all bigger than 1. So if this was a fraction, like 20 would be 3,200 over 160, right? If it's greater than 1, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Since it's smaller, we know it's less than 1, and therefore D is our only answer. If you actually want to calculate what this is, you just take 8 divided by 160. If you divide the numerator and the denominator by 8, 8 divided by 8 is 1, 160 divided by 8 is 20, and then 1/20th is 0.05 in decimal form, which gives you to the same answer, D. You just might notice this is less than 1, so it has to be D, and that might save you a little bit of time in your test, but either way, you get the same answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.